So recently I had a bit of a makeup epiphany. After years of putting on makeup and putting on the bare minimum and just running out the door, kind of realised it wasn't working for me anymore, and actually instead of getting better at putting on makeup, I was getting more crap. There were two reasons why I think I was so bad at putting makeup on. The first reason was that when I was younger, I didn't bother learning about any tips and tricks. I just used to do a bit of this. And then the second reason I think is age. Let me just say there's nothing wrong with aging. Everyone ages, we all get older. We're getting older as you watch this. Irritating things are starting happening to my face. Things that worked for me then, or bare minimum, don't work for me now. So I did a bit of Googling and I discovered that there was quite a lot for the sort of younger generation, and quite a lot for sort of the older generation, and probably not that much for the sort of in between. That's why we're doing these videos, and I hope you enjoy. When you get older, you develop sort of like, they call it hooded eyelids. I hate the word hooded, it's horrible. So let's just call it tired. Your top eyelid sort of like flaps over your bottom eyelid. It made my eyes feel a bit small, especially when you're a bit hungover, a bit tired. So what I would overcompensate and put a load more sort of brown eyeshadow and a load more eyeliner and mascara. It just made my eyes recede even more. Did a bit of Googling and I went onto YouTube and I found a blogger called Hot and Flashy. So she taught me some tips and I've had a play with them and sort of adapted them to make them work for me. So here they are. So one thing that Hot and Flashy did was introduce me to eye makeup primer, which I was just like, yeah, right, yeah, that won't work, but it does. Eyeshadow just falls into those creases and then literally you don't see it. This stuff, literally, you put it on and it's still there at midnight, even after a gym session. Honestly, it really is, it's amazing. Put it on your eyes and right up to the eyebrows, so I'm gonna have a go now. Another word I really hate, which is your skin, when it gets older, goes a bit crepey. It moves with your brush. So just very gently sweep it down. Then the next thing is the brush. Again, with sort of older skin, crepey. I hate the word crepey, I'm sorry. But you need a really, really soft brush. So I have no idea where I got this from, but so I've been reliably informed that this is a Smashbox brush, so thanks. Another thing that is an amazing epiphany moment was that actually on this makeup set, see, this is how much I don't know about makeup, but on this makeup set, this eyeshadow set, these lighter shades, you can use them, and I just thought they were for the top bit there, but no, you can use them. What you should do to open up your eyes is use these, and then use the darker ones to sort of shade in your sockets. I'm going to use this very light one, and I'm just going to sort of up and down again. I don't know why I've got to do that mouth thing. Why is it I'm doing the mouth thing and why I can't keep my mouth? So ignore my terrible foundation. So anyway, there we are. The next one is to put the darker shade in the socket. Be really, really delicate. And that's probably it. Okay, this is Chanel eyeliner and it's amazing. It's smoky brown, which is really nice because one thing that I am a complete liquid eyeliner addict, and I was finding it was getting a bit harsh. This just sort of opens out the eye a little bit and just, is quite soft. Again, you just got to be really careful of that dragging your skin, so take a bit of time. I can't give up my liquid eyeliner. I can do less of it, but I can't give it up. So I just do a little sweep of this as well. That's just over it, and just another layer. But because the Chanel pen is quite smudgy, it just gives a definition to the eye, but isn't too harsh. And then mascara, and I have been taught this, and I'm going to remember how to do it. You push it in and then up, push it in and then up. This is black mascara, and I probably should be looking at doing brown, but I can't give it up. So, and I find that black is a little bit more, gives me a bit more definition. So for my bottom eyelashes, a makeup artist called Sandra taught me how to do this technique that she calls bumping. It basically is just touching your bottom eyelashes slightly, and it just gives you a nice sort of like soft line. So that's it. So soft brush, soft colours, soft on your skin, but a little bit of black mascara because I can't give that up. I hope you enjoy the grown-up guide to eye makeup. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching. Bye. Well, that's the thing that I would say is I'm waffling. So I've just been asked why there's a hole in one of the colours. That's because I use it a lot. That's my favourite colour. It's weird being telling